nice laptop.
Thanks, it's an Ultrabook convertible.
Tweet.
Alright, settle down. What's all this then?
It's a laptop and tablet in one.
Crikey!
Is it powered by coal and steam?
No, it's powered by Intel.
Suddenly, everything else seems old-fashioned. The Ultrabook Convertible. A laptop when you need it, a tablet when you want it.
Pretend I'm not here. Pretend I'm not here.
We helped 17,346 people swap wellies back to slippers when their house flooded, and helped find alternative accommodation for those who needed it. And right now, we're offering all new customers up to 50% off contents when they buy buildings insurance. Take the direct line.